In a significant show of force, the United States has recently deployed 3 aircraft carriers to the Indo-Pacific region. Reports indicate that the U.S. plans to station up to 5 aircraft carriers in the Western Pacific. This unprecedented show of naval power serves as a deterrent against increasing military activities by China and North Korea. U.S. has also stationed B-2 stealth bombers in Diego Garcia, a remote island in Indian Ocean. As geopolitical dynamics evolve, the presence of these formidable assets sends a clear message from Trump administration to both allies and adversaries.